Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a built-in ruler for measurement in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here click on edge panels and then click on panels. Now here if you have not selected tools, then first of all select tools, and after selecting go back to your home screen and open the edge panel, and then again swipe left, and from here click on this three dot more icon and select ruler. Now it will open a built-in ruler for measurement, and it is a accurate ruler. So that's how you can use a built-in ruler for measurements in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.